We are starting in quadruped position in a tabletop. Hips above knees, shoulders above wrists, straighten the spine, give me long neck. We'll start in cat-cow movement, which I will guide you through it, and you concentrate on the breathing. Your mind is with your spine as you moving them up and down, one vertebra at a time. Inhale as you drop your spine, exhale as you lift it up. Continue with the same movement, ending with toes to hips. Connect your mind to the movement each time you're finishing with toes. Toes up as you lift the chin up, and toes down as chin goes to the chest. If you got the movement, think about moving one vertebra at a time. Connect the movement to your breath and your mind to your body. Exhale everything you don't need. Inhale and audible exhale. Keep the tabletop, straighten the spine, and now squeeze the shoulder blades towards each other and drop the chest down. Chest goes to the left and up and to the right. Circles with chest, feel the movement, and now close your eyes and think about how your body wants to move. Maybe you want to add circles with tailbone. Maybe you want to add neck movement. Explore, listen to your body, and connect the breath to the movement. You exhale, the next time reverse the movement. Go the other way and see how that feels when you are reversing it. Attach the mind to this movement. Exhale and keep rolling. That is a great spine mobility movement. Enjoy how that feels in your body. Next, exhale, step forward with your right leg, making sure shin is straightened, knee above ankle. Help yourself with hand if needed. Arms on the inside of the foot, step back with left leg. Right arm goes forward as you're about to shake somebody's hand. Lift the right arm up and send it to upper edge of the room. If you want more stretch, grab right toe with right fingers. If not, stay, breathe, and observe your body. Bring your arm back on the same giant circle, pulling arms closer to the ceiling. Step forward with your left leg, making sure shin is straightened, knee above ankle. Help yourself with hand if needed. We will do the other side. Arms on the inside of the foot, step back with the left leg, drop left knee on the floor, push hips slightly forward. Lift left arm up and send it to upper edge of the room. Roll the chest towards the left fingers. If you want more stretch, grab left toes with left fingers. If not, stay, breathe, and observe your body. If you want to grab your toes, you need to turn your body using the chest. Chest goes up towards the ceiling. You will have more space for arm to go towards your toes. Come back, lift hips, and align back into a tabletop. Step forward with palm, give yourself space to drop the chest directly down to the mat, keeping hips above knees. Heart-melting pose. Roll toes inward to feel stretch in feet, especially if you were wearing shoes for a long time, or point your toes if that gets uncomfortable. Keep breathing, prepare to point your toes, close your knees, and bring your hips to the feet to go towards the child's pose. Straighten your arms forward and relax with good exhalation. I would like you to concentrate on your breath, expand your brow line, and sew the ribs together and lift the navel up as you breathe. And whenever you're ready, lift your hips up and open your knees as wide as it's comfortable. Bring the toes together and sink back in child's pose, making the pillow out of your arms. Forehead rests on your arms right now. Keep breathing, including the diaphragm as you breathe. Expand the brow line, sew the ribs together, lift the navel up. Stay here for one more breath and then switch to hero pose. Lift your body up, combine your knees together, toes on the ground, lift in the upright position, roll the shoulders up and down and bring your arms behind you. Squeeze the shoulder blades as you lift the arms behind you up, and let's go to rabbit pose. Forehead is on the mat, Lift your hips up, position them above your knees. Exhale, feel the stretch in your neck. If that gets uncomfortable, just go into a child's pose and relax. This will be the last relaxing movement. Keep breathing for 5 more times and you roll down. Thank you very much for being with me today.